Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to make a copy of your data on Gmail. It's important to have a backup of your data, and in this video, we'll guide you through the steps to do just that. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 4. Now, tap on Data and Privacy. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Download or Delete your data. Step 6. Tap on Download your data to initiate the process. Step 7. Select the desired export date and tap Next Step. Step 8. Finally, tap Create Export to start the data export process. By following these steps, you can easily create a copy of your data on Gmail, ensuring that you have a backup in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.